How's your mother? Today's recap is for February 27th. I don't even know why I say the date because you already know I uploaded the same day. Ended up taking one trade today. There was technically, I'd already made my $1,500 day, so I actually technically didn't take these, but so buys this morning, I honestly didn't even want to take a trade just because if you look here, we have these equal highs above us. They're not they're not exact equal, but they're really, really close. Also, this is a 4-hour gap. And then below us, to the left, we didn't have any gaps we were bouncing off of, so I didn't like longs, and I didn't like shorts until we actually end up hitting this gap. So, off of open today, what was my thought process? It was, we had the sell side down here. Off of open, we immediately displace higher. I said this 1 minute would most likely hold. I was saying this was a pretty bad setup, but discretionary and just hindsight, not a bad trade. Okay, we end up taking out that data high, which was a 15-minute gap to the start of one. From here, I'm not looking for shorts because we just have a bunch of, like I said, these equal highs up here and just this rounded buy side. Okay, when you have rounded tops like this, it's almost guaranteed we're going to run that before going lower. From there, this actually was another good trade. I did like this. I think there was a 30-second up here. Didn't necessarily like that. We did have a 1 minute gap here. And I was saying if we broke this first presented fair value gap, we'd most likely go lower. And I did call this out. We inverse this 1 minute, get the 1 minute version, whatever. We have these relative equal lows. And this would have hit a 1-to-1 perfect break even at this low. Take your profit at a 1-to-1, be done for the day. Okay. But I didn't even like longs from here because we weren't bouncing off of anything except sell side. So from here, didn't like anything. There was another short opportunity, did not like that. I was waiting for us to make a 5-minute condition. That's what I love the most. So we end up making a 5-minute down here. This was the 5-minute low. Okay. If you look on ES, we end up hitting this 5-minute. And if you flip to NQ, we do not hit it. We get a SMT at the 5-minute. We get a 30-second inversion to the upside. And we have equal highs. We also had a 2-minute gap up here. Whoa. We also had a 2-minute gap up here, but on a trade like this, you don't necessarily have to go break even. I was also saying if you didn't take the 30-second, you could just limit order or market order a 1-to-1. And I was saying if I was in this, as soon as we resweep this buy side that we put in, I was going to go break even. And you can see break even would have hit full TP, and then we just chop. And I'm honestly expecting chop the rest of the day because where price is sitting. And yeah, I called that it was going to be choppy and rangy at like right here or something because I just didn't like where we're sitting right now. We got nice buy side above and nice sell side below. So this low should be protected for now until we take out, this is a 1 hour, retap a true day, then we could see something and go lower. But definitely the best trade of the day. I'd give this like A-, A rated, just because draw and liquidity is always what makes the trade good, and it was a good draw. But yeah, that's the recap for today.